It's Viberies and welcome back to some more awesome Survivor games. And today we're going to play VIP Survivor games, and all of these guys have sick armor. We're gonna hit straight for the chest, and beside me is a VIP plus, same as me, and we're gonna try to take him out first. Okay, take him out first is the best way on getting stock, getting good items, and getting a compass, which is actually quite convenient. And we're gonna take out Sky Rockstar. Sorry, Sky Rockstar, I guess. Let's get it on. We have to do this. We have to do this. We have to rock and roll right now. We have to rock and roll. Let's go. Have to take him out. Yes, we took him out. We took him out. We got food. We got a lot of items right here. He's gonna get done. Double kill of death. Let's get that guy. Let's get that guy. That guy has a sword, but I have a diamond axe. Surprise attack of death. Surprise attack of death. He's gonna take me out. He's gonna take me on. He's gonna take me on. Is he gonna die? Is he gonna die? Is he gonna die? You have no choice but to eat. You still there to eat, huh? You still there to eat? We're gonna eat for a while. Okay, nice. We're gonna take this guy, Iron Helmet of Death. It's because we are so badass. Okay, we got him. Let's wear the Iron Helmet for better armor. This guy fighting, and come on. Let's go. It's too much for contempt. Too much for contempt. We need to eat. Let's rock and roll. Okay, we got it. Where's the guy that has iron axe? Stone axe. I forgot. You annoying chest. Can you do not get me on the? Okay, come on. We can do this. This is a VIP lobby. I mean, come on. You guys should have weapons. Come on, okay. Should be good. I don't have iron. The best weapon is an iron weapon. So let's get. Come on. Yeah. No, that's the ring I want. Okay, that's the stuff I want. Okay, so how many kills we saw? Let's have a kill count. Okay. Come on. Can we do this? Do this for the subs. Do it for the subs. Wait a minute. Where's my? Okay, iron axe is good enough. Okay. Turn them out to my diamond axe. Let's go. Come on, let's get it rolled. Let's get the guy that has a lot of stuff like this guy. You guys trying to eat? You trying to eat, man? You trying to eat? 6 guys left. I mean, come on. There's so much people here. Oh, there's another guy right there. Is he AFK? Is he AFK? This guy's AFK. Death might start in 5 minutes. No more pressure. AFK guy. So sorry. We had to take you out. Where's the guy? I'm gonna aim for the behind one because that guy got iron boots, and iron booties is awesome. Come on, baby. Come on, babe. We got it. This guy's trying to find a weapon, but he has no chance of surviving my iron axe of death. Come on, we get this. Come on. We got him. Come on. I'm sorry if there's no in-game sounds. I'm really sorry about it. One hit, second, and the third hit, and he's done. It's done though. This is my diamond axe. My diamond axe is gone. Oh man, that's not good actually. Okay, luckily, come on. Okay, luckily we have iron booties, which is so everyone's gonna hit the chest. Everyone's gonna hit the center, but for now we gotta loot up. Okay, somebody's hitting me. Somebody wait a minute. He's invisible. I have to eat. He's invisible. That's not fair. Come on. Wait a minute. I'm hitting him. Wait a minute. That's not even fair. Sin CN190 is a freaking hacker. I should have won. I deserve to win that Survivor Games. I mean, that was a VIP plus lobby. I mean, I was actually kind of curious why many people don't have weapons, because they have VIP. They should at least get a stone sword or what. But still, CN190 is a complete hacker. He's an invisible guy, you know, like K. If you know what I mean, actually, as a gamer, right? Like K. But still, that guy, I should have won that fight. I should have backstabbed him, and I should have like turned on him, because I think I had a better weapon than him. And that guy's invisible. That guy's a complete hacker. What a loser. I mean, like, I don't care if he beats me fairly, if you want to backstab me, like, but at least give me a decent fight. I mean, like, come on. If he's not invisible, I could have fight back. But if I lost, if he's not invisible, then there's a fair win right there. But still, if he was invisible, though, I don't take that as a victory for him. I mean, like, that sucks. But still, I had a lot of kills, and that is pretty good. And that was a lot of kills games, but in the end, I will have a great kill count. If you guys did enjoy this video, I know it's been a while since I actually did a Minecraft Survival Games video. It was like 2 videos before this. If you guys did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more. Peace, guys.